I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone who can please me, love me all night long. I've been everywhere, man, looking for you, babe, looking for you, babe, searching for you, baby. Where have you been?
I still wanna see you tonight. Will you be around?
Are you hiding from me?
I still wanna get you alone. Will you be around?
Where have you been?
Put up a fight just to come around.
Somewhere in the crowd.
You do your body work. I feel my pulse working overtime. You do your body work. I feel my pulse working overtime. I never take all the steps I'm planning tonight without risking it all. Where have you been all my life? Where have you been all my life? I get shy in these lights. I feel your body overtime.
'Cause I never see you. Are you hiding from me?
I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the